Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we've got another exciting vintage Coach unboxing. So as you can see, this is an older box from the 1980s. It says Coach leatherware on it, so obviously this is going to be an older piece. So let's see what we've got. So we've got this beautiful bag here. This is the riding bag, style 9750, in the color Tabac, and it was made in the original New York City factory in the 1980s, and it still comes with the original Coach tissue paper, as you can see. So this is a shoulder bag, and it's just this beautiful riding style bag, and it's got this buckle closure here on the front, as you can see, and it still comes with some paperwork. So it comes with the registration card, as you can see, and some other paperwork that has to do with the brand. Here's a little information about the factory, just some little advertisement inserts, and some tips for taking care of your bag. So this one was, as you can see, really nicely preserved over the years, and all these little inserts go in this little pouch like so. So it looks like this bag was in like new or never used condition. So I'll go ahead and show you more of the bag. So looks like it was just stored in this box over the years and probably never used or in like new condition. So it's a great piece to find. So here's the front again. Here's what the sides look like. And then here's the back. And it does come with a matching one-sided hang tag. So the front of the hang tag says Coach leatherware, and then the back is just this nice suede-like texture. So this was a style of hang tag during this time period. And then we'll just open the bag real quick so I can show you what the interior is like. So here's the inside. It does have this front slip pocket here under the front flap, and then it's got this back zip closure here along this zip pocket. And then it's also got the Coach creed inside, as you can see, and it does say it was made in New York City. And I should also mention that this is a shoulder bag with an adjustable strap, as you can see here. So yeah, that is the riding bag, style 9750. It is available now in our online store, so I will link it below in case you wanted to check it out. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.